This artificial intelligence Google robot has been running my Google ads for me. I don't constantly need to check up on the ads, rerun them, reset them up, rescript them, allowing me to hijack the top pages of specific keyword searches, which has allowed me to accumulate orders and sales every single day, accumulating to tens of thousands of dollars. In this video, I'm going to give you my blueprint and teach you exactly how you can use this AI tool to hijack the top pages of Google for specific keywords. Let me show you one of my most profitable examples. Let's take this simple keyword over here, free funnel builder. Now, all I will go and do is come over to this AI tool where I can simply automatically create ad titles and descriptions already optimized for Google, run ads on the specific keyword with my affiliate link to land on the top pages of the search word. On the top of the page for the specific keyword, you can see right now that there's not a single advert running for this keyword. So what I would go and do is I would go and create a simple Google Ads campaign with this AI tool, run ads on this keyword so that I can steal this top spot. And how exactly do I make money off of this? Very simple. I will come over to a funnel builder called ClickFunnels.com, which is one of my favorite funnel builders at the moment. If you've seen some of my older videos, you would know that I talk a lot about Kartra. I've recently moved over to ClickFunnels simply because they're cheaper and they have a lot more to offer in their packages. But once you come over to ClickFunnels.com, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of their website over here, where you will see you can sign up to be a part of the affiliate program. Right here under the company section, affiliate program, go and click on this option and you can sign up completely for free by typing in your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. You will then receive your unique affiliate link within 1 to 2 days. And I quickly want to show you some of my early results that I've started using specifically with ClickFunnels. Now, I do this with other affiliate programs as well, but I'm going to sign into my ClickFunnels affiliate dashboard to show you some of the results from this particular ad that I started yesterday. Once signed in, your dashboard is going to look like this. On the right-hand side, you will see there's a section that says Earn 30% Lifetime Recurring Commissions. Click on the affiliate portal and it will now take you to your affiliate dashboard. So over here, you can see right now in the last day or just the 24 hours that I've been running this particular campaign using the ads through this AI tool that creates the Google ads for me, ranking on the top pages for that specific term, funnel builder or free funnel builder or free funnel templates. I'm ranking with a whole bunch of different keywords. I've already received 2 sales of $29.10 and again, $29.10. But the beautiful part about this affiliate program is that all of this gets paid to me every single month in monthly reoccurring commissions. So if you had to go and calculate this, and you're earning $29.10 a month per referral, and you refer 100 people, which is not difficult with this strategy. I can take $29.10 multiplied by 100 people. That's now $2,900 every single month passively, literally while doing nothing. And that's the power of affiliate marketing and using strategies like this. And that's why today I'm documenting this so that you guys can learn how to do this as well. As on my YouTube channel, my biggest goal for this channel is to give you guys as much as value as possible. Making content, helping and teaching you guys is one of my biggest passions. I've been doing this for 5 years now. So that's why I'm still here making videos every single day. So there we go. If you guys want to get a video from me every single day and a notification from me as soon as I upload, make sure you subscribe down below with the red notification bell on. But yes, continuing on with this, under the section here where it says active campaigns, you will see that you've got about 10 different affiliate links. And the best thing about ClickFunnels is that you can rank for multiple keywords using different and unique landing pages. So over here, you will see I'm just using the generic ClickFunnels 2.0 trial page. So if I paste this in a new tab, this is what my landing page looks like. And remember, ClickFunnels gives you these landing pages as an affiliate to already promote and use. So when people sign up for the trial, I then get that commission, which is specifically 30% a month of whatever startup or pro package they sign up for. So if I get a referral and they sign up for the pro package, this is how much I will earn. So I can multiply 248 by 30%. That will give me a total of $74 every single month that I will earn in passive commissions. And you'll see over here, you've got various different other affiliate links. So over here is the CF2 $1 funnel. So if I go and paste this in a new tab, you will see this is what this landing page looks like. So here you will see, again, you can start your 14-day trial now. It will most likely be some kind of opt-in, and then your leads will get a free giveaway to most likely a new funnel. So over here, we have another one, last one that we'll look at before diving into the strategy. This is called the challenge secret. This will give your leads access to a free live stream with the ClickFunnels creators on how you can create your first funnel. So ClickFunnels is honestly giving a ton of value away in their affiliates links to your potential leads, which is one thing that I really like that Kartra didn't offer. Is ClickFunnels always looks after their clients by giving tons of value, free funnels, free live streams, free tutorials. So they're always guiding you step by step. But okay, on to the juicy parts. How do we make money from this? Well, once you've signed up to be an affiliate, you'll see over here, your dashboard looks like this. This is what your dashboard now looks like. Here's all of your affiliate links. You want to come over to a website called writesonic.com. And this is a fantastic website where you can go and create articles. You can chat to a ChatGPT like chat room where you can create videos, article posts, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, reels, long form content. Really fantastic tool that really does a lot of the on-hands work for you. So for example, it can create PDFs and documents for you, summarize web pages, generate AI images. It can write in your own brand and voices. It can repurpose audio files. So if you've got a video with maybe a terrible mic quality, it can repurpose that and increase the quality of that video for you. You can do chat with your images and tons of more. You can do real-time SEO insights to optimize your content, improve your search rankings, and boost your website traffic, which is essentially what I'm using for the strategy. And the best part about Writesonic is you can get started completely for free without a card. So you can click on Get Started for free, and it will take you then in to sign in with your account or create your account. I've already created my account, so for me, it's just taken me to my dashboard. On the search bar, all you want to go and look for is the term Google. And over here, you will see if I type then Google ad, it will give me Google ad titles and description. So initially, let's go and get started with our Google ad titles. Click on Google ad titles. And over here, you will see you can write your company name, the product service description, and the keyword. So for your company name, you just want to type the name of the affiliate program that you're promoting. So in my case, it will be ClickFunnels. Okay, for the product description, this is a really easy part. You can just come over to the ClickFunnels homepage. Let me quickly come back to clickfunnels.com, and you can really just copy and paste off their homepage over here. So let's go and have a look and just see if we can find a neat little description here. We can use this little description over here. This is more than fine. We're the original funnel builder and the first ever platform designed to get people from sites like Facebook, Google, YouTube, and Instagram or TikTok and bring them to your store. Fantastic short little description that we can use for our ad. So we can paste that over here. For the keyword that you want to rank for, you just want to type in your keyword. So funnel builder. The brand of tone or voice, don't really have to worry about that. Click on generate and it will now generate ad titles for your Google ads. So over here, we can click on this option here. Over here, you will see is 3 basic ad titles, short, sweet, simple, and effective that we can now use for our Google ad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Writesonic in another tab and let's go and create our description. So let's open up Google ad descriptions and we can now go and create our description. Again, the name of the company, ClickFunnels, product, service, or description, we can go and copy literally that same description and we can let AI do the magic from there. So let's paste product description. Again, our keywords, we want to type free funnel builder, free website, templates. We can start off with those 3 keywords. Always just double check your spelling and just make sure that is correct. We can now click on generate and there we go. It's now generated a simple, short and sweet description that we can use for our ad. Boost your online business with ClickFunnels, the original funnel builder, get free website templates and start driving traffic from Facebook, Google, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok to your store. So we can go and copy this as well. We can leave these 2 tabs open for now. We're going to come back to this later. So let's come over to Google and go and search Google Ads. All right, click on the Google Ads website over here. And we can now go and sign in. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Once you've signed in, on the left-hand side over here, we can click on New Campaign. Click on plus New Campaign, and it will now take you to the tab where we can go and create our campaign. So what we need to do over here is we need to select one of these options. What is our campaign objective? Well, our campaign objective is to get affiliate marketing sales. We want to either get sales or we want to get leads to our affiliate website. So let's go and click on leads. This is the option that I use, and we can now go and click on continue. Over here, we want to select the search campaign type. Click on continue or scroll down to the next option over here. What ways would you like to reach your goal? Well, our affiliate link is a website, so we want website visits. And then for your business's website, we can now come over to our ClickFunnels affiliate dashboard, copy our ClickFunnels 2.0 trial, and we can go and type over here in our campaigns, our business website. Click on continue again. For your company name, we can type ClickFunnels, click on continue again, and over here we can now click on start new campaign if it asks you for any other options. What do you want to focus on? Conversions. Set a cost per target. I'm just going to leave this as default. We don't need to change that. Click on next, and over here we can also select our countries, our locations. So I'm going to keep it at all countries and locations. What I recommend is go very specific. What I recommend with this is, and you can actually be quite smart with this, come over to a website called Google Trends, and let's go and have a look in the world where funnels is trending the most. And we can actually go and target that specific country. So let's go and search funnel builder, click on the search term, and over here we want to see where it's trending worldwide. So here we can see, okay, not much enough data. So let's just go and type here free funnel, see if data comes up for this. Okay, so obviously here in South Africa, you can see there's really not a lot of search terms for this in South Africa, but let's go and click worldwide and see where this is trending worldwide. Okay, so over here you can see at the moment, United States is trending really at the most this moment. I don't know why there's not a lot of data for this, but let's just try a different keyword, website builder. Let's see if maybe we get more data on that. Okay, so over here, let's just quickly come to worldwide to see where this is trending most. And we can see over here right now in Kenya and in Nigeria, for some different reason, the term website builder and funnel builder is immensely trending there. So we could go and run specific ads in Kenya and Nigeria, well, because we want to go where the trends are. And also in third place is South Africa. Fifth place is United States. So you'd really want to go and target your ads in these top 5 countries for your specific keyword. And remember, you can do this for fitness programs. You can do this for anything. So let's go and use the example of Kenya. We can come back to search campaigns. We want to enter another location and we just want to type here Kenya, and we can target the entire country. Okay, for the language, we just want to go and type English. We're not going to use any other of their native languages. We can just stick to English because those terms rank the best on your top of Google. What you could also do is we can go and type here Kenya most spoken language, and we could go and use their languages. So for example, the languages of Kenya. So the most spoken languages of Kenya is Swahili and English. So what you could do is you could go and run an ad in English and another ad in Swahili. And you don't have to worry. Google Ads will automatically translate for you. So even though you're setting up your ad in English, it will automatically translate that ad to Swahili. Okay, so now we have Kenya selected. We can just leave this for English. Let's also go and type Swahili. It should be here. Am I spelling it correctly? Swahili, S-W-A? I think so. Oh, I don't think it's actually offered by Google. I don't know why. Okay, then we can just leave it at English. So then from there, we can now go and click on audience segments. We don't really have to worry about this. We can leave this on observation. This is really choosing a specific audience. So if you want to target people in financial planning in Kenya or financial services, I'm just going to keep it in general to the Kenyan population. So we can then click on next over here. And then for our keyword setup, click on create myself. If you want to go and create it with the help of Google AI, you can do that, but I'm going to do it myself and enter the keywords that you want to rank for. So we want to type here website builder, free site creator, funnel builder, ClickFunnels, free trial. Okay, those are the main keywords that we want to rank for. So when people Google ClickFunnels free trial in Kenya, we can try and get our affiliate link at the top of that page. Okay, so now that this is done, we can go and create our Google ad. Really simple from here. It's just a matter of copy and paste. We can come back to Write Sonic. We can copy one of our titles, come back to our Google ad. We can paste our headline here. For headline number 1, okay. This one's a little bit long, so we can just type here funnel expert for headline number 2. And you'll see over here, as you're busy typing in your headline, it will start to form over here. We can go and type power your funnels efficiently. So let's try that keyword, just see what it looks like here. ClickFunnels for power your funnels efficiently. We can type here free 14-day trial. Okay, so you kind of just got to watch as you type what your headline is starting to look like. And let's go and look for another heading. Over 50 free templates. Okay, so there we go. This is the title of our ad. ClickFunnels, the funnel expert, free 14-day trial, over 50 templates. For these other headlines, we don't have to worry. For the descriptions, we can now go and use the description that has been created by Writesonic. So we can go and copy this, paste this over here. What we can also do is we can cut out half of that and paste the rest over here. Let's just cut more of that out. See if that's enough. Driving traffic from Facebook, Google, and YouTube. We can just remove, or TikTok. We just need to get this short enough to fit in to your store. Okay, then we can move Instagram to your store, get free website templates, and start driving traffic from worldwide to your store. Okay, so just like that, over 50 free templates. And this is what our ad is starting to look like. ClickFunnels funnel experts, over 50 free funnel templates with your description and your affiliate link. Remember, the point of this is to now get this to the top of the rankings for the specific search term in Kenya, where the specific search term is trending the most at the moment. So we can continue with this. We want to keep it as simple as possible. We don't want to go too much detail into this. We can then click on next. And over here, we can now budget our ad. So over here, you can see you can set a custom budget. It's already given me some default budgets. So if you want to set your daily budget of 30 Rand a day, which is about $1.50, which will cost you 210 Rand, which is about $10 a week, which is really not expensive if you really want to start off small, which is a great place to start. And as you start to scale and get sales, you can reinvest that. And when you get to the point where you can start investing hundreds of dollars every day, your sales are going to drastically increase. And remember, down the line, you can start to incorporate funnels, email campaigns to transform leads that perhaps weren't interested now into sales later down the line. So the world is your oyster with this type of business. It's very powerful, especially when you know where to target and how to target. You can then go and click on next and start running your ad. With that being said, if you guys want to see my exact blueprint that I use to make over $450 in 24 hours, posting one simple reel on Instagram on a very small page, I've created and just posted a free 30-minute webinar giving away this exact blueprint yesterday, which includes over $2,000 worth of bonuses that I bought for this video to give away to you guys, and over 44 free funnels that you guys can go and get for free. I'm going to put this video up here on the screen. This can go really hand in hand with this Google ad strategy if you want to go and start creating your own Google ad campaigns. Really amazing together. But also, with that being said, guys, I will leave that video on the screen over here. So without further ado, go and click on this video and I'll see you on the inside.